Hey guys, welcome to Charlie's How To for Homeowners. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be taking apart a shower head. All right guys, so this is our typical shower head that you're going to find in your average house. Well, what we have going on is a little bit of a lack of flow. So what we're going to do, first things first, and the easiest thing to check is the aerator within this faucet or shower head. Grab some smooth jaw pliers or a wrench. Usually there's some indentations around the threaded part of the shower head, and that's where you're going to want to grab onto. We're going to go ahead and give it a twist off to get it started. All right, so now we got the shower head off. Let's go ahead and check what's inside. So let's check to see what the problem is with our lack of flow. Well, right away, we're seeing that, someone left a little bit of solder in there. Oh my goodness. Well, that's going to cause a problem. It's looking like we have everything out of the shower head now. That little gasket in there is our restrictor plate. So we don't want to remove that. That's going to keep us in compliance with California law. So now that we've confirmed that our shower head is clear of blockages and sediment, we can go ahead and reattach it onto the neck. What we're going to do before that, though, is make sure that this neck right here has at least 4 wraps of Teflon tape on it. So now that we got it all wrapped up, we can reverse thread it on till you feel it click, engage, then you go righty-tighty. Get it on by hand a little bit, then get your smooth jaws and finish out the job. You don't want to He-Man it on there. Just nice and snug. See how I'm not putting too much pressure on it? And that'll be good right there. Well, that was it. Pretty straightforward. Unscrew the shower head, put it back on, make sure nothing's in it. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below. Thank you for tuning in with us, and we'll see you next time. Okay. Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Afternoon, guys. My name is Brent. I'm with... Okay, one more.
All right, we're doing it live. All right, 3, 2.
Well, that's it.
All right.
All right.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
An extension cord? Yeah, that shouldn't be in there. Drywall nails? Yeah, those shouldn't be in there either. Now we call our apprentices over to the scene to have them install the shower head back to original state. Mondo. Just playing.
Well, let me get a video of you in the tub. There's some bath salts in there, dude. Bath bomb! I'll slam dunk it, bro.